I'm Brian Weinstein, President and CEO of Chapco. We are a contract manufacturer specializing in sheet metal fabrication, machining, and assembly, and we're located in our new 151,000 square foot building here in Deep River, Connecticut. 2023, we started to do more defense work. In order to get into defense work, you have to be ISO. So we chose CONNSTEP for our ISO certification because I've heard a lot of good things from other manufacturing CEOs. They've had great success with CONNSTEP, and it was the obvious choice for us. They came in and did a gap analysis to see what would get us from where we were then to ISO certification.
That was one of the more valuable aspects of bringing in CONNSTEP. We would sit in a conference room, we would look at our current procedures or lack of. The first couple meetings was, okay, what are we going to do? Are we going to revamp what's here, or are we just going to start over? The decision was made to essentially start over and create our own QMS. Started with an outline of the procedure that met the requirements, and then I just modified it to the way we operate. I would review with CONNSTEP, and they say, oh yeah, this is okay, no, this has got to change.
Having an outside resource to help and who has had experience, Larry, our COO, has had experience, and Mark, our quality manager, has as well. That outside voice on top of the experience they brought to the table was really helpful.
I think if we didn't do that, we wouldn't have gotten it done in the time frame that we needed to get it done.
We had one particular customer who would not let us quote anything until we got ISO. We told them the process we were going through, and they were very surprised how quickly we got it done.
Working with CONNSTEP, I would say, made us get certified 6 months earlier than we would have.
Not only it's helping us get orders, but it helped refine the process and bring all the employees together.
ISO certification is great for us, certainly culturally. That culture of excellence gets rid of the noise.
It was just a really easy, seamless process.
We look forward to doing more projects with CONNSTEP. I think this is just kind of the beginning of a fabulous relationship.